It's reveal day, and boy, do I have a dream team to get this space where it needs to be. This man needs no introduction. You all know Frank. He's the man for the job. This is our flex room. It's a space where we can evolve as our needs change. Hope you can stick around so you can see the transformation. You will see this room transform using two things, paint and new flooring. For those of you who've been with me for a while, you know this room was several things. It was an office, but it's always been a movie room for us. When we first moved in, I made this room into my home office, and then I needed more privacy because it's a loft space. Everything you see here is going, with the exception of my sectional sofa. I love it. It's from American Signature Furniture. I got it for a brand partnership I did years ago. And because it's just me and my husband here now, it doesn't get used much, and it's like brand new, and it's comfortable as all get out. It's kind of like the cloud couch before the cloud couch became the cloud couch. And I guess I was ahead of my time when I chose it, but we love it. So this is staying. Everything else is going. The wall unit is from Rooms to Go. I'm gifting it to my big sister with the accessories that's on it as well. And I have a few other things I'm going to give her. And, you know, she's deserving of it. She does so much for the family. She's the family manager, by the way. You guys probably have seen her in some of my videos. And the curtains, she'll be getting the curtains as well as the curtain rod. It's a beautiful mother of pearl finials on the end. And we may be switching this chandelier out as well. And as far as this table, I'm on the fence about what I should do with it. It depends on how it looks with paint color and the new cabinet that I'm getting that's going to go wall to wall, along with a fridge and a humidor inside too. We have a balcony on our space, which I'll show you that as well. We're having some work done to the deck boards, so that will be a video all for itself. So my husband we could watch a movie and go outside and have wine and a cigar on our balcony. We're trying to use up our space in our home. It's just us two empty nesters. So that's what's going on right now. But let me show you the refrigerator that's going to be going in partnership with Coatland. Mama, your grandbaby came to see you.
Yeah, okay, that's
You guys, this is number 8 for us.
if you notice all that other like
grandkids.
stuff, it's like
We got 8 of them.
not even good for development. Like,
This is Amaya Blue.
just like
And I still got it, mama. Look at the fried eggs. They runny in the middle. How Emily likes them.
That's what they say.
This boy, and that's the daddy.
Because they need to learn human.
Hey, baby. Look, y'all, she just got her ears pierced. She's so cute. Uncle's holding her. Yeah.
Do you believe in like this?
it's got a little funny house. I should sit down. I'll see good.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Did we hit the base boy? No, we're good.
Oh, you're good.
Otis is helping me prep, but I have this paint job all to my lonesome, you guys. As I was painting this room, I remembered that I've used it before. Back to my staple blues. I love the hues and the warmth it adds to the space. Today is a busy day for me. The carpet people will be here in about a half hour or so. And the carpet, you guys, I love it. I got such a great deal on it. It's a Stainmaster carpet, which I'll be sharing that with you as soon as they install it, or when I'm finished completing this room. But the paint, it took about 2 coats to put this paint on the wall. It soaked it right up, and I'm still doing little touches here and there, but overall, I'm very pleased with it. I'm just on the fence about this chandelier because it's Very blingy. But the reason why I did it was because of the chandelier that overlooks my family room. When you're downstairs and you're looking up, it just makes sense. But I think I want to put a ceiling fan up here because we're in Florida and heat rises and it gets fairly warm. So that's what I think I might do. And I have the 100-inch TV here on the wall, of course. I have to have that centered. Frank, you guys know Frank, he's going to be installing that for me. You guys hear that noise? That's my washing machine. The fridge is going to go towards the right, and then I have a chest that I am partnering with Louxas Home again. They're the same people who gifted me the foyer consoles. I have another piece. I'm excited about that, but it is heavy. It's like 200 pounds. 200 pounds. The front of it is travertine, so Otis is gonna take off the doors, and hopefully that will make it easy for Frank and his crew to bring it up the stairs. So stand by. I have wall-to-wall drapes going, coming up here. As far as the blinds, I didn't want to change it because I want the outside of my house to look uniform. So the outside of the blinds, when you're looking at my house, when you're looking at it from outside, it's white, and I want to keep it white. So I'm looking for blinds that have, I guess, the fabric or the color white on the outside, but on the inside dark. This room isn't really technical movie room because I have, again, 3 windows that's adjacent to these 2 windows. So a lot of light comes in during the day, but I just wanted a movie room, you know what I mean? Because if it was all closed off, I would have definitely painted the ceiling and the vents the same color as the wall. Definitely. All-purpose room, movie room, game room, place for us to chill. Believe it or not, this was the original rug of when we purchased the home. It's definitely time for a change. I went with Stainmaster carpeting. It's actually throughout our home. If you take care of your flooring, it will definitely take care of your pockets. We got a 100-inch TV. What? What's the problem? What's the matter?
You can't record the struggle.
Why?
Upstairs, you got another strap.
What? Why not? I can't record y'all. It's only 100 inches. Y'all got this. Y'all young and strong. Yeah. Y'all want my help?
One step at a time.
One step at a time.
No.
Yeah, I got 4.
Oh, yeah, that's not.
And then I wanted to get another one to go on the ceiling.
That's not.
Y'all got this. Yeah, look at that. See? That was definitely not an easy task. But I knew Frank would get the job done. That's fine.
Wow.
You can cut it. You know why? Because I have you to always fix it. Frank's trying to get his plan together. Come on, Wizard Genius, you got that. I've known Frank for many years. He's family, and we argue as if we were married. Where's the fun in that if we're not arguing?
All right, on the way back to the north side just to bring you wire.
Frank,
Did tell me
there you
the box, man.
see. There you go, starting again.
Oh, she's doing it on the Saturday morning.
Get on my nerve. I didn't get a chance to finish painting.
He talking to the boss, Ross.
It's a little.
Out of that. He must not know administration. The edge and a little.
So you gonna fire me?
Yeah, you fired.
I gotta do painting, y'all.
That's it.
You can't fire me.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, God. I was getting totally roasted on my paint job. That's okay. He's family, too. This job wasn't so cut and dry. Frank had to make some adjustments.
Big Daddy.
We got the Vizio 100-inch Classic Quantum Series QLED 4K Smart TV. It's a massive 100-inch screen with 4K resolution and QLED technology for vibrant colors. And when I tell you the color is vibrant, it is vibrant. It includes smart capabilities with Apple AirPlay and Google Cast built in.
Right now, we got to get a wire and a box
Okay.
to get us some power for the TV.
All right, Wizard Genius.
So now you're pretty well getting cut again.
That's okay.
Okay. And then we got a mud and tape.
That's okay. I got you to fix it.
Okay, good.
It took him no time to get the electrical situated. The only thing that took time was letting the mud dry in between coats. Yeah, the show must go on, so now they're installing the TV mount. There's handles on the back of this TV to help with safe lifting and handling and positioning of this massive screen during installation. But if you're going to go with a TV of this size, have at least 3 to 4 people to lift because it is heavy. Otis gave them some new names, Biscuit and Cornbread. In the comments, who's Biscuit and who's Cornbread? On to the storage. This portion of the video is in partnership with Louxas Home. You guys know how I feel about packaging, and I love this already. So what they did was they put the handles on the inside of the door. So all we have to do is unscrew and put the handle on the travertine side of the door. That's pretty neat. What do you think, Otis?
It helps prevent it from breaking off the knob.
Yeah.
It's good.
Round 2 of getting it up the stairs. It truly wasn't an easy task.
Cornbread and biscuits, they got it.
You're so silly, babe. And of course we had to get some bias lighting for our 100-inch TV. I've chosen their Merino Travertine inspired sideboard, which is 72 inches long. The material is MDF oak veneer, travertine look resin in the color walnut. The floating base design has a light visual profile, which I love for when I need to clean underneath the unit. Each piece features a unique natural pattern for a balanced and personalized visual aesthetic. This sideboard cabinet is perfect for almost any space. It has 2 double-door cabinet compartments, 4 in total. Shelves behind the doors are adjustable in different heights to suit our needs for snacks, board games, and blankets. Speaking of, let's get stocked up. I love a company that creates high-end design-forward furniture without the traditional luxury markup. You get premium materials, thoughtful craftsmanship, and elevated aesthetics without paying for showroom or brand type. I'm really happy that I went with cabinet doors opposed to having open shelving. It's great for managing aesthetics, organizing equipment, protecting electronics or any electronics we may need to place inside, or if we want to hide any cords. Not to mention it keeps the dust off our snacks. Overall, it's easy setup and it's full assembled. In keeping with the decor, very minimal, using this wood bookrest and this wood bead garland. It's a decorative item often used in a farmhouse or bohemian style home decor. Louxas Home stands by their accessible luxury, easy assembly, real-life comfort, and durability. Up to a 10-year warranty and 60-day worry-free returns. Be sure to check the clickable link for your shopping convenience. This round wood end table is from Home Goods. I love the stacked ball pedestal base. It complements all of the other wood tones in the space perfectly. We got the snacks taken care of. Now for the beverages. In my last video, you may have seen where I shared a sneak peek of us getting this room together, and when I shared this insanely beautiful beverage fridge by Kotlin. Well, I couldn't stock it at that time for obvious reasons, but today is the day. Let's get it stocked. Cotland beverage coolers are designed to be versatile, adjustable shelving that can accommodate wine bottles, canned beer, and other beverages. There will be a purchase link and an exclusive coupon code in my description to Cotland's beverage cooler. That's what I love about this freestanding beverage cooler. It's given us a place for our popcorn machine and Otis's humidor. FYI, no, we do not smoke in our home. Give Louxas Home and Cotland a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and there will be a clickable link for your shopping convenience down below. This is by far our favorite room in our home, and this room wouldn't be what it is without Frank, and of course, his friend. Special thanks to you, my friend. And if you're not already subscribed to our Home on Wheels, it's a spin-off from this channel. I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to become part of the glamping family. And I want to thank you all for watching.